What up, y'all? Jay here. So on this episode today, we got another family item, right? But on this item today, it's all about autism awareness. And just like the theme of our shirts, love needs no words. Hey, I ain't gonna do too much talking in this video today. We're just gonna give y'all a little insight of what all went down today as we walked for autism. Check it out. Man, I will say this. Today was a blast, man. We did this whole lap around this lake and just watching everybody out having a good time, fishing, enjoying their family. We even got some close up with some ducks, swimming, enjoying their family. Hey, baby girl said she was tired of walking and it was time for her famous thing, recess. So of course we had to let her do a little playing time. Hey, shout out to my in-laws, man. They really came through for us today. My 3 sister-in-laws and our friends that's not pictured there. Man, we really appreciate you guys. Much love to you.